Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech and I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Blogspot website from converting its URL into this kind of a new URL when you are trying to reach your website by using a mobile device. So after stopping this URL conversion of your website, you will be able to very fastly add your website into Google search engine. Okay friends, firstly you need to log into the Blogspot dashboard and go to themes section, and after that you need to click here to take a full backup of your website. Click on download, and after that you can go to here again and go to this HTML section. After getting into here, you need to find the command which I have included in the description of this video, and after that you need to copy the first command which I have included in my video description and click here. Then you need to click on the Ctrl and F key on your keyboard to open this search option. Here you need to paste the first command and press the enter button to find this closing body tag. Now you need to press enter key in above area of the closing body tag. Now you need to copy and paste the second command which I have included in the description of this video to here, like this. You can see I have entered that command before to the closing body tag. Then you will be able to save your website. Okay friends, now we can try to reach our website by using the mobile device once again to clarify whether our problem has fixed or not. Here you can see our website will not be converted into mobile URL once again, and that means our problem has fixed. So thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.